Class 5 General Science Notes, Lecture number 7, Unit 7. Electricity and Magnetism. Short answer. Questions. Question number 1. Why does a bulb light up in a closed circuit? Answer. When the circuit becomes complete and current starts flowing through the bulb. Then it lights up. Question number 2. You are given a bulb. What other components are required to light it up? Answer. The components are bulb, battery, cell, switch, wires to connect. Question number 3. Why an iron nail stuck to a magnet attracts another nail? Answer. An iron nail stuck to a magnet attracts another nail because it becomes a temporary magnet. Question number 4. How can directions be found by using a magnetic compass? Answer. The directions can be found and when the magnetic compass is rotated slowly until the north pole of the needle is aligned with the north direction of the compass. Question number 5. A balloon is charged by rubbing it with a woolen cloth. Why does it stick to a wall? Answer. When we rub a balloon with a woolen cloth, it gets a negative charge. When we brought it near a wall, it sticks to the wall because the wall has a positive charge. Negative and positive charges attract each other. Constructed response question. Question number 1. Two ring magnets are shown on a wooden stand. The upper magnet rises up and is suspended in the air as shown in the figure. Question A. Why does the upper magnet float in the air? Answer. The same pole repels each other, that's why the upper magnet floats in the air. Question B. Label the N and S poles of magnet. Answer. South, north, north, south. Question number 2. There is a bar magnet without any indication. How will you identify the south pole? Answer. The unknown poles of a bar magnet can be marked by suspending it freely by a string. The geographical north-facing end of the magnet is its north pole and the geographical south-facing end is its south pole. Question number 3. There are 3 similar metal bars. One is a magnet, the second is iron and the third is aluminium. How would you identify each bar? Answer. I immediately find that one bar is attracted to neither of the other. Mark this one as aluminium. Next, drop the aluminium bar onto each of the other bars. It will drop slightly slower onto the magnet. Mark this one as a magnet. Mark's third bar is iron. Investigate. Questions. Question number 1. You are provided with different materials. Investigate which material allows magnetic attraction to pass through it. Answer. Bar magnet. Attracted by magnet. Paper. Pin. Attracted by magnet. Glass. Not attracted. Plastic. Not attracted. Aluminum. Not attracted. Steel plates. Attracted by magnet. Wooden board. Not attracted.